Hi everyone, I'm Fernando Cortés Ortiz, and this is a homework for UNAT. In this case, the topic is the random question. My random question is: how long does it take for you to get ready in the morning? My answer begin with a short um, routine. My day start at 5:30 in the morning. In this time, I wake up. Then, 10 minutes later, I get up and go to the bathroom for brush my teeth. Then I take a shower. After taking a shower, I go to the room to decide uh, what to wear during the day. I decide for my shirt, I decide for my pants, I decide for my shoes. And after that, when I decided for my wardrobe, I go to the study for organize my job things. I organize my briefcase, I organize my documents, folders. I also organize my motorcycle documents for avoid inconvenience on the route. And finally, I organize my wallet. After that, I go to the kitchen for prepare my breakfast. I always take um, orange juice, omelette, some fruit, um, coffee, maybe chocolate. This is um, some things about I eat for my breakfast. After the breakfast, I brush my teeth again and get ready for leave for work. Um, I always leave at work at a quarter to 8. I always spend getting ready for my job approximately 2 hours. And this is my answer. This is my show routine. And see you. Thank you.